Good afternoon, class. My name is Khalid Al-Kubaisi, and I made a presentation that talks about El Nino and La Nina phenomenon. First, the definition. What does El Nino mean? El Nino is an environmental change that narrates the warming of surface water in the Pacific Ocean. It is a Spanish term which is appealed to an annual warm ocean phases that leads to the coldest of Peru and Ecuador. While El Nino is a climate cycle in the Pacific Ocean with a global impact on weather patterns. What causes El Nino phenomenon? An El Nino conduction occurs when surface water in the equatorial Pacific becomes warmer than average and east winds become weaker than normal, as you can see in this picture. What are the effects of El Nino phenomenon on the environment? With the rise of temperature and rainfall, that can lower down the yield of crops. Also, because of the shortage of water supply, crop failure may occur. A drought environment may occur in America and Asia, also the Pacific Island countries. El Nino can also be responsible for a number of health issues like respiratory problems and heat stress. The changes of communicable disease will increase. Also, according to WHO, more than 1.5 million people are affected due to El Nino effects in New Guinea. It may also cause heavy rainfall, flood, and drought in different regions of the world. And here's a picture of the health consequences of El Nino. And now let's talk about La Nina phenomenon. First, definition. What does it mean? La Nina is a weather phenomenon characterized by usually cold ocean temperature in the equatorial Pacific Ocean, which causes increased number of tropical storms in the Pacific Ocean. What happened during La Nina? In this pattern that you can see in the picture, strong winds below and warm water at the ocean surface from South America to Indonesia. As the warm water moves west, cold water from the deep rises to the surface near the coast of South America. What causes La Nina phenomenon? It takes place as strong winds below warm water at the ocean surface. As the normal water moves west, cold water from the deep sea rises to the surface. It is considered to be the cold surface layer of the Pacific Ocean. Physical conditions of La Nina phenomenon. First, cold temperature at equatorial Pacific Ocean. Second, low air pressure in west and high air pressure in east and low Latin Pacific. Also heavy rainfall in the western Pacific. Fourth, a rise in sea level in western Pacific and lower in eastern Pacific. Last, strong surface winds pushing warm surface of water towards West Pacific. As you can see in the picture, this is a timeline of all La Nina episodes between 1900s and 2021. What are the effects of La Nina phenomenon on the environment? In March 2008, it caused a drop sea surface temperature over Asia by 2 degrees Celsius and causes heavy rain, especially over Malaysia. Also, La Nina is responsible for lower air pressure, which causes high rainfall in western Pacific. In Australia, floods are correlated, and I made this table so you can see what are the difference between El Nino and La Nina phenomenon. At the end, thank you very much, class, and so for your time.